everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2Crafters, 1 Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is Thankful. Next week's theme will be ATC. So for all of you who likes making those ATCs, make sure you join in. Also, enter your creation into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, because we sure join in each week. So anyways, this week I am using this picket fence die. I picked it up from scrapbook.com, and I think they still might have it over at Picket Fence. I don't think it's at scrapbook.com anymore, but I picked that up. And then I'm also using the same oval die that I used last week, scallop stitched edge ovals from Spellbinders. I thought I would use that again. And then I got several different dies in here. Some of them aren't from Memento, but I'm using Thankful and Grateful. And Grateful is from Little Inker, if I'm not mistaken. And then from Honeybee Stamps, I'm using their Vintage Holiday Gem Stickers. From Cuddle Me Clay Tay, and I tell you all the time, I just love her flowers. And I'm using these little tiny flowers. I think that's what the name, yep, tiny flowers. And I'm using a few colors out of there. And then from BB Craft, I just grabbed some gems out of there. And here goes my creations that I made. I just got into my scrap bin of all kind of colors, and I just started making the pumpkins, and then thought I would just kind of match up the papers. Now I did use my markers, my alcohol markers, to kind of enhance some of the colors. This color I really didn't care for when I first made it, but it grew on me and I kind of like it. But the other ones I really love. But anyways, let's start out with this one. And this is where I put those flowers from Cuddle Me Clay Tay, and I used some of those gems there that I showed. And then this one's from BB Craft, that center gem there. And I used that bow that came with the set. And then I made this a top folding card, if I can get it open. There we go. And there goes the inside of that card. So like I said, I did make a top folding, and I thought it turned out really cute. Then the next one, this is probably my favorite one here. This one says Grateful, and I used some of those gems. And then this one's from BB Craft. These are from Honeybee Stamps, but love how that turned out. I did pop up the dies, the word dies, a few times too, for both cards. And there goes the inside of that one. I love how these turned out. And then here goes the last one. I wasn't too sure about this color, but with the blue behind it, I thought it just made it pop. And like I said, I did color it up a little bit with the alcohol markers, and I used the gems from BB Craft on this one. And then there goes another Thankful, and I think I layered it up a couple times just to give it some dimension. But love how that looks. And they gave me a jump on what I need to do as far as sending out some Thanksgiving cards. And I am just so thankful and grateful for all of you. All right, so thanks so much, everyone, joining in on our collabs from week to week and giving us someone to come visit every week. And then that's about all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.